Guys, MrAlanC here. We're checking out some Saluspa replacement filters. They came packaged very neatly. Looks like there's 6 in here. I'm going to need just one. I need to replace it in my Saluspa right now. Right, so my Saluspa is ready for a filter replacement. It's actually beeping, and you can see it is pretty cold out here, so I got to remove a little snow. I shoveled it out. We got our filter here. I unplugged the Saluspa so that it's not beeping. You can see the water in there. And our filter's straight down there. I got it opened up here, so you can see this is where the water filter goes, right down here. And pull that out, like so. We'll unscrew it. Okay, pull this open. Then we can see the old water filter in there with some stuff in it. And we'll take the brand new one, replace it. Fits perfectly. Get the cap back on there. Okay. Alright, screw that back on top. And this is ready to go back in. So we'll go down, find the screw spot, screw it in place. Alright, it's as easy as that, guys. We're all set.